Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to connect it without internet on Motorola G87. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option and click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on the sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. So make sure turn on do not disturb. After turn on do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.